A few days ago, I was invited to observe a roofing crew in action, and this company had been around for 19 years. So I thought, okay, this will be interesting because most roofing companies take 3 or 4 days to finish a roof. This company started at 8:30 in the morning. Actually, they had the material delivered 3 or 4 days in advance, which sat on the driveway for that long. And then they arrived at around 8:30 and a lot of activity. There were 5 or 6 guys, 6 guys with a trailer. Then he went away. Then basically 5 guys on the roof. And I watched these guys work, and they completed 2 semi-detached homes by 4:30 p.m. That's stripping, doing a flat section between the two houses, and installing 2 roofs in about 8 hours. All I could hear and see was a lot of activity. I didn't go up on the roof, but they had 2 compressors, two guns going at the same time, and they would alternate the guns. When someone took a break, the guns would keep working. When they took lunch, half the crew took lunch. The guns kept working. The other the other guys came back from lunch, replaced the guys on the guns. The guns kept working, and they were done by 4:30 p.m. Done. They were driving away. I made a point of looking at my phone. 4:30 p.m. They were driving away. So how do you explain that? Is it a coincidence that all of them were immigrants? Maybe so, maybe not. But and it's not like it's a brand new company. Everybody was gung ho about getting the job done and getting out of there. They've been in business for 19 years. They have 450 reviews. Not a lot of reviews after 19 years, but still most than most of the companies have today. So guess what? I made an offer to buy 51% of the company, and hopefully we can finalize it within the next couple of weeks. That's how impressed I was with the crew. The only negatives that I saw was the prep work. They didn't set up tarps. They didn't, protect the bushes. They didn't, at the end of the job, the biggest complaint, if they ever get a complaint, is the little granulars all over the sidewalk and all over the driveway. I'm sure, the client can sweep that up, but why are we asking the client to sweep that up? We made the mess. We should be cleaning it, right? So obviously we're going to fix that if I do end up doing business with this company. But what can we learn from this? There are quality employees available to work today. So all the companies that complain, Leo, I can't find quality employees. Well, maybe that's not true. Maybe you don't have the culture. Maybe you don't have the branding. Maybe you don't have the business blueprint to attract quality clients. Maybe you don't have advancement opportunities to attract quality clients. So I would love to hear your questions, comments below, and let's see if we can help your company as well. Have a great day. Bye.